If you're in the season of your life where your home no longer fits, maybe it's too big, too much to maintain, or just doesn't serve your lifestyle anymore, and the thought of downsizing feels overwhelming, you're not alone. I work with many clients who are navigating this exact moment. They're ready to simplify, but they don't know where to start. Maybe you've lived in your home for 30 or 40 years. It's filled with memories, holiday traditions, and layers of your life. And while your heart knows it's time for something new, the process feels emotional, exhausting, and unclear. That's where I come in. I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and I specialize in helping seniors transition from the homes they've loved into homes that are easier to live in and maintain, all without stress or judgment. As a luxury certified real estate agent with eXp Realty, I offer concierge-level service that's designed to support you through every step of this transition. I bring in a professional home designer to guide staging, color selections, curb appeal, and strategic updates that help your home stand out and attract the right buyers without wasting your time or money. I coordinate everything from decluttering, cleaning, and repairs to photography, movers, and timelines. And because I'm part of the EXPLuxury division, your home receives premium marketing that includes exposure in national and global publications like the Wall Street Journal, Robb Report, and Mansion Global, giving it the elevated presentation it deserves. But this isn't just about selling a home. It's about honoring your memories, easing your burden, and helping you feel confident about what's next. Whether you're moving into a townhome, a one-level villa, or a senior living community with all the amenities, I'll help you find the perfect fit and handle all the details so you can focus on your next chapter, not the stress of getting there. If you're feeling stuck, if you've said, I know I need to do something, I just don't know where to begin, that's exactly when you should reach out to me. You can call or text 763-257-7231 or send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com. I promise there's a better way to downsize, and you don't have to do it alone.